Wallflower, stop!
You remember my name?
I remember everything. The memory stone, how I acted, all of it.
What? How? I erased the whole afternoon!
Listen, I used to be just like you. Sure, I was popular, but I was lonely.
You're nothing like me, and I'm not lonely because I have... plants! That sounded less lonely in my head.
I'm sorry, Wallflower.
No, you're not. You're just trying to look good in front of your friends. And it's working! Yeah! How am I supposed to get back at you if nothing I do matters? I hate you! I wanted to teach you a lesson by erasing your friends' good memories of you, but obviously that didn't work. But what if I erased all their memories of high school?
You can't! You'd be stealing their memories of each other!
They'll think of each other the way you think of me, which is not at all!
No! I ruined their friendship once before. I'd rather give up my own memories than let it happen again. Fluttershy! No! Applejack! Rarity! Rainbow Dash! Pinkie Pie! Twilight! Don't forget me! This isn't Canterlot. Where am I? Princess Celestia? What's happened to me? Some pony, help me! Who are you?
We're your friends.
We may not remember you.
But after seeing what you did, the sacrifice you made for us, we'd be proud to call you our friend.
Wallflower, you have magic you do not understand, but it is nothing compared to the magic of...
Yeah, we get it. Light her up, Liddy!
Twilight Sparkle?
Sunset Shimmer! We're so sorry.
I'm just glad to have you all back.
I'm so ashamed. When I first found the memory stone, I only erased little things. Awkward hellos, saying the wrong thing, literally any public speaking.
I've had plenty of awkward moments I wish I could erase too.
But it's no excuse. I was so used to erasing memories that I got completely carried away. I'm sorry for everything.
It's okay. I'm sorry too. I may have stopped being mean, but a great and powerful friend helped me realize I still wasn't very nice to you. Everyone matters, Wallflower, no matter how insignificant or invisible they feel.